Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into the crypto mining game, and Christmas has finally arrived with free rewards for everyone. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my crypto mining game account, and it has been 7 days since the last time we were in here. So let's quickly run through the numbers. So a few things have changed. So my gems 1 week ago were at 154,109. You can now see we're 154,588. So obviously a lot of them have come from doing missions, finding crates or chests and stuff like that. So that's how we've built that up. Our CGT was at basically 71, literally just over 71. You can now see we're closing in on 73, but you also have to realize in that 7 days I've not been on here every single day. I've probably only been in the week, I've probably been on here maybe 4 times out of 7 days, 4 days out of 7. So you know, I mean, it's not great, but also the other thing as well, if we click on here, you have to realize I am not overclocking anything. I've not overclocked here. My fan speed is normal. Everything's pretty much at default. But we've gained nearly 2 whole coins. So I don't think it's too bad. Our hardware was at level 11 a week ago. You can now see we're at level 12. Fans were at level 10. You can now see we're at level 11. And power was at 14, and we are at 14, but we are actually upgrading. We've got 3 hours and 58 seconds, and then we'll be at level 15. Our solidity was at level 13 1 week ago. You can now see we're at level 15, but in 4 hours, 27 minutes and 30 seconds, we're going to be at level 16. Our sensors were at level 41, but in 4 days, 5 hours, 52 minutes and a few seconds, we're going to be at level 42. Storage was 38, which it still is, but in 11 hours, 58 minutes and 42 seconds, we will be at level 39. So as you can see, we have progressed forward. I have had to create some more drones. I've been doing so many missions recently, even though we haven't been in here a lot. I've been, you know, when I have been in here, I've been trying to do as much as possible, and I am having to craft more drones because I'm running out of them. As we know, that the way it works, that essentially a drone gives you, I think it's like 100 missions, and then according to your solidity, how high that is, that's an extra few missions on top. So right now, from a brand new drone, I will get 115 missions because it's 100 plus your solidity, which is 15. Obviously, this will go up by 1 very shortly or in a few hours. And then obviously when I craft a new miner, get that running, that's going to give me 116 missions. But obviously, a lot of the drones we've had are quite old now, so they're starting to drop off. So if we go into quests, the most recent quests I'm doing are this one, which is basically collecting 40 junk. For some weird reason, I actually thought that was going to be an easy mission. It has taken me quite a while, but the thing is, it doesn't matter because you're going to use junk anyway. Like pixels and bits, you need them for crafting drones, crafting cards, upgrading your mining hardware, upgrading your drones. They all require that. So even though it is taking a while, I'm using them all the time. And the other one was a reveal. So again, I thought this was going to be easy, but the thing is obviously you can only reveal an item once. But then obviously if you say you've revealed, like, let's go in here. say you've revealed, like here, I've got like 10 items that I've revealed. So I claim 10 towards that mission. But the thing is there's so many things left. You don't want to just abandon stuff. So you still sort of, even though when you've revealed them for the mission, you're still sending out drones to these items to collect the rewards. So that's why it's, and then obviously once I've collected everything I want from them, I will then, reveal X amount of more missions. But yeah, it's a longer process than I thought, because obviously, like I say, if all I wanted to do was reveal missions and then leave everything, fine. But for me, the main thing is to collect the consumables, collect the junk, collect the tools. So again, we can push our account forward and upgrade these things. So like I say, that is what is taking a bit of time. Anyway, that's basically our account. That is what is going on there. Let's look at the Christmas rewards. Now, if we dive into home, obviously a lot of you might have seen this already, so sorry if I'm going over something you already know, but I'm sure there's probably a lot of people that have not seen this yet. So if we dive in here, go into the news section, we now have a Christmas advent calendar. Now it says here, claim your advent calendar rewards, waiting for Christmas or not. The advent calendar will give you an amazing reward every day. Come and claim them anytime this season. So here we go. So I claimed the first one, which gave me a chest. So we need to find number 2. There's number 2. Okay, so that gives us 50 gems. Number 3, what date is it? So we've got 8 to claim. So number 3, another chest. There's something about these chests as well with the advent calendar. I will show you once we've gone through this. Some people might not have noticed this. That was 3. So number 4, where is number 4? Here we go. So that's another chest. That's nice. I believe as well the advent calendar chests, you don't have to unlock them, but I might be wrong. But I'm fairly certain that they open. This one, I'm fairly certain they open straight away. So what's that? 5 we're looking for. Number 5. There's 6, 5. Here we go. So that's 20 tools. That's really useful. 6. So another chest. 7. 50 more gems, and 8, and another chest. Okay, right, so that's basically it for the day. I don't think we're going to be lucky enough to claim 9. No, there you go. Players not yet time to give this daily reward. So there you go. So you can't cheat. Okay, so if we go into the loot section, because obviously that's where our chests are going to be, they're here in this void chest section. So obviously you might be looking in here and thinking, where are they? They're here in the void chest section. Obviously we can drop as many over there as possible. I've got one that I got from a mission, just 38 minutes there. So if we go here, and then yeah, there you go. So you can open them straight away. There you go. So open that. Let's see what we got. So we got 4 items. So we got some H power, some more tools, some XP, I believe that is, junk, and some, is that XP? Oh, I get confused with what's what, to be honest. It doesn't matter, it's all positive. Okay. Crystals, 146 crystals, 3 tools, whatever we've decided that is. Cards, so that's the 52 mining pool cards. And then we've got some H power, 2 times H power. And then, oh, there you go. Okay. 4 tools, 82 something XP, maybe, I don't know, we're guessing. Cards. So destroyed neutrino 13 times of those cards. See, is that the, I don't know, CGT, maybe? No, I don't know. And 1 times H power. Okay, and then obviously we've got 1 left over, so drop that in there, open that. Okay. Okay, and here we go, and some more tools. Okay, so that actually is not a bad haul, really. You know, I mean, obviously a lot of platforms do this for this time of year. They do something like an advent calendar or something like that to give some rewards, you know, back to the members. You know, some platforms like CGT have done it so it's completely free. So essentially you just come in every single day, click on your advent calendar, claim your reward, jobs are good. And then you've got other people now like Rollercoin that are essentially going, yeah, here's some Christmas rewards, but you've got to put some work in for it. So the fact that CGT, CMG have gone the free route, I fully commend them for that, especially, you know, this time of year. It should be, it's a bit of fun, you know, it's a bit of fun. Obviously I realize not everybody celebrates Christmas, but at the end of the day, it's always nice to get some free prizes or free rewards to help you with your account. So let's just quickly finally drop into the workshop. So we got 20 batteries. I'm not sure, can we upgrade? I'm just wondering, so that's there. So can we upgrade? Yep, there you go. So we can, oh, and we've still got our 20 batteries left. So we might be able to upgrade our fans as well. And there you go. So, and we've still got our 20 batteries left. So there you go. So pretty much everything's being upgraded. Well, you know, I'm going to hang on because, no, you might as well. No, there you go. I thought we were going to get the full load there. But, yeah, a few more batteries, and obviously I can upgrade those engines. Okay, so that is all I wanted to do. I just wanted to do a bit of a quick update on that, show you how our account is doing, and show you the Christmas advent calendar that has been supplied by CMG. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful, fun, and informative. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.